In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book last-minute flights on Google Flights. If you're booking within a week or two of departure, here's what to expect right up front. Prices are usually higher and they can jump 30 to 80% as the date gets closer. Flexibility is your best friend here. Being open to nearby dates, flight times, or even alternate airports can make a big difference. Start by going to Google Flights. On the main dashboard, you'll see the search boxes for your route, date pickers, and simple controls for trip type, passengers, and cabin class. It's clean and fast, which is why it's great for last minute planning. Choose whether you want a round trip or one-way ticket. Then set the number of passengers so results reflect the seats you need. Next, pick your cabin class. Economy is usually the most budget friendly, but you can switch to premium economy, business, or first if that's what you prefer. Enter your route. Type your departure city, then your destination. Google Flights will suggest airports as you type. If you're price sensitive, consider nearby airports on either end. Sometimes a short drive or train ride can cut the fare substantially when booking late. Now set your dates. For a quick example, pick your departure for this coming weekend, then add your return date if you're booking a round trip. Before locking them in, scan a couple of days on either side. Shifting by plus or minus 1 to 3 days often reveals better prices, especially early morning or late night flights. Click search. You'll see results along with price information across nearby dates. This view helps you zero in on combinations that fit your timing and budget without bouncing between pages. Take a moment to observe how prices change across days. That overview is key for last-minute savings. Compare a few deals, then pick your outbound flight. Use filters to narrow by number of stops, departure and arrival times, airlines, and duration. Balance total travel time against price. A long layover might not be worth a small discount if you're short on time. After selecting the outbound, choose your return flight as well. Click Continue to move forward. You may be sent directly to the airline or a trusted booking partner. Before proceeding, review every detail: dates, airports, layovers, cabin class, baggage allowances, and the total price. Last minute fares can be restrictive, so look at change and refund policies too. Add passenger details exactly as they appear on government IDs, plus your contact info. When everything looks right, continue to payment to complete your booking. And that's how to quickly and confidently book last minute flights using Google Flights.